Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve privacy on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem or the issue of privacy on Magic Tiles 3, you should just go to settings. As you see, and you can click. After that, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of Magic Tiles 3. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.